Welcome
DayZ. We're
back.
linking up with DJ Woodworks.
We ain't
Yes,
even
sir.
got to link up.
Let me hit a bong toke. Let me hit a bong toke. Gotta get right before I get left.
We ain't even linking up. I got to link up. You're right here in front of me.
We are here.
That's chilly.
5.5645 rounds.
I can't.
I ain't got none of that. You want a 12 gauge shotgun?
Nah, I'm good. I'm all set for guns and ammo. Yo, Rocket League changes graphics. Liam, what's up, bro? We on that survival now. DJ Woodworks want to do want a little bit of that DayZ. He said, let's cook for a half hour. I said, okay, let's go. You know,
M4A1 bayonet.
There's an automatic shotgun up in the bathroom here. Looks like it has a clip and everything.
I'm
In the
good.
round.
Oh,
Yeah,
wait.
obviously me too.
Wait. No, I'm good. I'm good. We're good. We're golden.
Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Man, I mean, I could do damage with this with one shot, though. You know what I mean? But it's loud as hell. I don't want loud. I don't want loud. I got this thing all decked out right now. Got my USG. This brings me back to like Modern Warfare. Captain Price up on the ship. I mean, that was an MP5, but you know what I mean?
All right, where we want to go? Let's go out.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I am cold. We need to. My
Go
clothes
this
on.
way.
Goddamn.
Over here towards
I
this
don't know why I'm
tower.
so cold. Why the fuck am I so cold, man?
So am I.
Oh, bro, there's only like 3 other people in the game besides us. But
Uh,
there's a high possibility that one of those 3 people are here with a scope, waiting for somebody to come around.
Make sure your ass closes that door as soon as you walk in to the building. We close every door behind us. We leave
What
no
about the ones that are
openings.
open in
That way,
front of us?
if any other enemies come, any other players come around, we can hear the doors opening.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we got a couple zombies up front.
The fuck are you?
I'm up front.
What?
I'm in the front door.
Okay. Okay.
You know, there's zombies out that way. It's not go that way. Which way are we going? Where are you trying to go? You lead, motherfucker. Get going. I'm going that way. We're using bullets, unless we sneak.
Is this a song?
These are zombie games. You're using a lot of bullets, man.
I only use 3 on each. We're good. Okay, hold up. I gotta. Are you shitting me? I got no bandages.
Get on the bed, lay down.
You have any bandages?
Dude, just some fucking living room play. Behind the couch or in front of the couch?
Nigga, you got any bandages?
Nope, 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 nope.
I like you, but this
Get
shit.
inside. The medical center this way. Medical center. Bandages. Medical center. Let's go. Straight across the platform to the big airplane. Medical center.
Let's go.
Oh, this is sketchy. This is sketchy, bud. This is sketchy, bud.
Spill your blood, you fucking cocksucker. Like, sit there and fucking route that shit.
Holy shit. He's yelling at himself. I'm covering the front. People can still come in through the back.
No.
He's yelling. It's a good tight little position right here. I mean, the only thing that can get popped at really is, I mean, okay, if they get lucky. I mean, if I keep walking to the right while shooting, they might not hit me. But there's a small chance they might be able to clip my leg. All right, how you doing over there with bandages?
We're good. We're golden.
All right, let's get the fuck out of here.
Where are you?
This belongs to you.
Alright. Alright. We're good. Let's just take things nice and slow.
Fuck.
Going on a trip with our little favorite shits.
Oh shit! Yeah, I was just listening to the hip hop version of that. Running through the lines. Oh shit, running in the trees. Okay, what we got here? I think we got another piece of the base.
Be careful with what they're fucking doing.
Where? Oh, there you go.
It's a pro tips. You want your shoes to last longer. Run on the grass beside the road, not on the road.
Just give me a second. I gotta put some shit in my, swap some shit around in my inventory.
I was only gonna say, I was telling Rory this so I could see more of it earlier. You were just standing there facing the other way from Rory was going like, Rory, move!
Yeah, I cannot wait to get Arc Raiders. That's gonna be so much fun. The shit looks hilarious, bro. I can't wait to drop some fire content. It's gonna be
Right?
fucking
Like,
sick.
yo,
I'm gonna sit. The
y'all
first day
want
I
to
get
see us
there,
on Arc
I'm gonna
Raiders? Like and
explore.
subscribe.
For damn sure. I'm gonna be rat guarding. I'm gonna be killing all the people that kill people that try to leave. The people that camp the exits, I want to camp them. That's a faction I can get behind.
When I posted my dice on my story.
We'll do some Dead by Daylight after this. And then I'm gonna do some Batman. Then we're gonna do some Detroit Become Human. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nothing. So the other day when I put my dice on my story and put the caption finally got my dice.
Man, we only got a hot time. We ain't gonna do dice.
We're literally following this road to the closest city.
I still didn't get a reaction.
And that's all we're doing.
I'm like, wow, you talk about wanting friends, but you don't fucking interact with people. I don't give a fuck.
There's a gas station over here, by the looks of it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Couple more people have joined. Fuck, man. Every time I go to the pause menu and then like let go and press forward, it doesn't let me go forward. Like, I gotta let go of the button and then Arc Raiders is on sale. 42.79. Oh, PlayStation Store. I'm gonna get like a $50 card. Cop that thing. Yes, sir. It's like $10 less than normal price. It's like 53. Holy shit. If they don't know we're here, they do now. They do now. What are we doing? Well, it looks like we're basically circling around back to the base.
There's a bunker right here.
Oh, I mean, yeah. So we still searching the military base? That bunker's shut. I'm about to go around back, or what's the next one? Oh my god. This is perfect.
This is
This
a
is
nice little
fucking
hideout right here.
perfect. You know what I mean? No, I don't think anyone would ever know. Do people even use these? I've never seen anyone being here on YouTube. You know what I mean? And then we check it out to clear it. Pop, pop, pop. We got a nice hill covering us right there. No one will really look here. And then we got a door right beside it. See, they would expect us to be in here, maybe. Not down
Right?
there. Oh, shit. Where are you? Where's that zombie?
Over the hill.
Oh, shit.
Look at the train in your fucking door.
Okay, saw.
Bro, are you telling me we got an actual full bunker right here that's
We
not
got a
claimed?
full bunker, and you can't open it from the inside or the outside. So there's only one way in, one way out. It's good for us, but bad for us, but mostly good for us, I think. Yeah. Which bunker is this? So it's like the middle one, or
Hey, hey,
it's
hey, hey,
the
turn around. Come
yeah,
here,
it's the
come here.
middle one.
You see these towers over here? Let's go over towards these.
Going to the top of this tower. Check the rooms on the way up. We got army pouch. Hold up. What is that? Canned bacon? Oh, fucking right. Give me that. I don't know when's the last time my person has ever tasted bacon, but he's about to get it now.
I'm at the top of the tower.
Find it.
Coming down from the tower.
Okay, I'm in the room on like the third or second floor, drinking a pop. Going downstairs. Oh,
I'm on the
lightning.
main
That's
floor.
cool. Oh, that tower cracked in half. Looks fucking sick.
Don't fucking go. Don't fucking move. You're in trouble.
I'm outside.
Yeah, right behind you. Where I was. Oh, whoa. And this one's knocked down. Oh wait, no, that's the top part of that one. Oh, what? That's sick. That's sick.
Do you want to go to that tower that's knocked down?
Fuck. Yeah, let's go. It was cool. And this is what impresses men. This is what impresses boys.
Yeah, we're
Okay,
just
I'm running.
simplistic creasers. It's all good.
Oh, okay. I was going to the piece that was on the ground. Okay, come. That's sick, bro. It's because like you see these things pretty much every day. And like to see one cracked in half, like these things are huge. Oh, then there's the ladder, so we can get on that shit. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Climb.
That's why I
Let's
said, do you want to
fucking
get up there?
go. Climb that shit. I'll cover you. Oh, this guy all the way up. Alright.
Let me know when you're up.
So I had like a nice little cinematic shot of you climbing that shit. Let's go. Holy shit, that's pretty high up already. Man's climbing like a champ.
I'm going to the very top.
Should have waited for you to get to the top, but I don't care. I don't care.
What a view. So that's the airfield right there.
That's sick.
All right. I don't even care to go back down. For all I care, we could literally end the episode right here. I don't even care to go back down. For all I care, we could literally end the episode right here.
But we're going to end it here before I get the crazy idea to try to climb across this thing, which seems very tempting. I think I can do it, but we're not going to do it right now. We're not going to do it right now. All right.
See y'all like,
All
and
right.
you want to
Take care.
follow along for that journey, leave a like, give a subscribe, and we'll be back. Love y'all. Happy New Year.
See y'all in the next video.